Hi everyone, welcome to Analytics for Notion. I'm Alexis, co-maker of the tool. In this video, I will show you the different parts and the core features of the application. First, we'll see the analytics part, and then the workspace part, which is more related to the settings. Okay, so first, the analytics. So, what kind of data you can get with Analytics for Notion? You can get pages analytics, users analytics, location analytics, and time analytics. In the overview, you will get like an aggregation of all of this analytics. Keep in mind that in every page of analytics, you will have a date range over here, which define the date range of all the analytic you will see. So if you want to change the date range, you can click here or select something like this. Okay, I will keep it like today because it's the workspace I created on the previous video. So in overview, you can get the current active users, the users analytics, the pages, time, and location analytics. So the pages analytics is about the views and the session. A session is an aggregation of views, and views are page consultation. The users analytic give you the amount of user connection, of total users, and new users, all of this in the selected period. You will be able to see the OS used, the browser, but also the device. Keep in mind that Analytics for Notion works with mobile version of Notion, but also with the different application of Notion, Mac, Windows, iOS, Android. You will have the location analytics. Here we are in French, so it's me, it's the user, the log I recorded previously. So you can see a map with the different countries that view your Notion workspace content. And then the time analytics, which is very interesting, which leads you to identify at which moment your content is more or less consulted. So you have like a hot map like this, and an aggregation of this data, which give you the proportion of consultation daily or hourly. Okay, now let's go to the workspace part with the settings part. So you have the settings over here. The settings give you the access to the settings related to Analytics for Notion. So the plan, so here we are in a free plan, which leads you to have at most 200 logs. If you go to pay-as-you-go plan, you will be unlimited in your activity. You can exclude IP addresses, which leads you to avoid being counted as a user, for example. A feature we are working on is to embed Analytics for Notion graph directly to your Notion without need to go to analyticsfornotion.com, for example. We are also working on mailing analytics reports, which leads you to configure a mail address to get the reports of the week or of the month of data recorded by Analytics for Notion. Then you have the Notion synchronization. This part is very interesting if you didn't select all the pages, for example, at the step 1 of the configuration of the workspace configuration. If you have any doubt, this manipulation is very sure. You don't lose any data. I can show you, cancel sync. And this leads you to redo the two steps, the two configuration steps, and don't forget any page. Now, if you have any problem, you can try this. So select page, select all, give the access, and you can see that I keep all my trackers and I keep all my data. So it's a safe operation. Here, if you delete this Analytics for Notion Workspace, of course, you will lose your tracker that will be uninstalled automatically, but you will lose the logs. The tracked pages, you know these pages on the previous video, we saw it. So this leads to add trackers to pages, but also to delete trackers. So keep in mind that you have to click on the Save Changes button to validate your changes. Okay. And then the members part. So the members leads to add collaborators to your Analytics for Notion Workspace. The admins will be able to go to Analytics part, but also to the Workspace part and configure the settings, etc. The members will be able to go only to Analytics part and don't have access to the Workspace part. To make a new invitation, you click here and you can select the mail address you want to invite to your Workspace. Thank you. If you have any question, there is the chat app over here. You can contact us directly and we will answer you as fast as possible. But you can also send us an email to support@analyticsfornotion.com. Thank you.